Kĩeha kĩingĩ nĩcio cioire mũciĩ ũyũ wa mũtigairĩ Lucy Njabi thikũ igĩrĩ thutha wake gũtũngio ruo rũingĩ na mũthia gũkua.
Njabi alituambia kifo yake ilisababishwa na bwana yake anaitwa Samuel Dungu, anajulikana sana kama Jua Kali. Jua alikuwa MC huko State Limta Ward. Sasa alienda kwa Njabi, akaambia Njabi ampe chakula. Njabi akampea chakula, akamwambia sikuli chakula hapa, nataka kuenda kukulia chakula kwa nyumba. So Njabi akamwekea chakula, akamwambia nipelekee kwa gari. Njabi akafunika chakula, akampelekea kwa gari. Vile alikuwa anampatia, akaona wanaume wawili wametoka na hapo nyuma ya gari, wakamchukua, wakamrusha kwa kiti na wakamkalisha kiti, wakafunga milango na wakaenda. Hiyo gari ilitoka hapo bio sana, ndio kiateka alikuwa anatuambia. Njabi akatuambia alipelekwa mahali na huko kichakani kulikuwa na kahawa, wakaanza kumuuliza maswali, amelala na wanaume wangapi, wakamuuliza hapa bwana yako ni mgani? Njabi akapoint bwana yake, akaambiwa hapana, huyu sio bwana yako. Vile alimaliza kuongea hivyo, alisema alilipiwa na Fred ya bwana yake.
Uyu haha ni mwana wake uliotagitaũkwo kĩrĩa nyina atũngirio, kĩrĩa nĩ hamwe na gũcinwo na acid. Nĩ ndeto ithiĩte na mbere gũtuthũra ũkirĩri mũnene nenda-inĩ cia ũkinyanĩria, aingĩ makĩenda kĩhoto kĩoneke. Kũringana na DCIO wa kaunti ya Kiambu Paul Wambugu, mbere ya mũtigairĩ Lucy athamĩirio thibitarĩ mũnene wa Kenyatta kuma Kiambu Hospital, thutha wake kwĩherwo nĩ ahithũririe atĩ andũ atatũ arĩa nĩ hamwe na mũtumia nĩ mamũhithũkĩire ngari-inĩ ya mũthuriwe na kũmũguraria ũru mbere ya mamũnyitĩte mĩgwate ona kũmũnyita kĩahinya.
She was actually seeking assistance from a medical facility in our Kiambu Hospital, where she alleged to have been assaulted by 3 people. 2 are men and 1 was a lady. It was alleged that the 3, they did confront her, and she was forced into a nearby coffee plantation where she was left, and she was then sprinkled with acid.
No na gũkĩrĩ ũguo Wambugu nĩ augĩte matirĩ marataũkwo ndeto ici makĩria, kuna mũthuriwe nĩ ahiũkire ceceni-inĩ ya borithi ũrĩa aribotirie atĩ matharĩkĩirwo nĩ mĩkora ya ũici wa ngari, na thutha ũcio mũtumia wake akinyitwo mĩgwate.
Right now, the matter is still under investigation. We are holding one by the name Samuel Dungu Njoroge, who I believe is one of suspects in our case, and who is also the former husband. I don't know whether he is alleged to be the former husband. And what was initially being investigated was a serious assault. The postmortem and so many other things have to be done. So that's the reason why the miscellaneous application was made to the court, so that it can give us more time to investigate and come up with a proper report of what happened, who was involved, and then those who are concerned to be arraigned in court and face the relevant charges of murder.
Rĩu nyũmba na arata maragoma na mũciĩ kwa Njabi, kũrĩa maracakaya gĩkuũ kĩa Njabi ũrĩa maugĩte ararĩ mũndũ mũhoreri ũrahetia andũ othe gĩtĩo.
Alikuwa mtoto mchangamfu, mzuri, akikukuta kwa njia, sababu alikuwa anaendesha gari, anasimamisha gari, anakuuliza auntie unaenda wapi, baba unaenda wapi, hebu panda hapa nikufikisha mahali hapo tu. Alikuwa mtu mwema, mchangamfu, mwenye furaha, mkarimu, mtu wa aina yake mwepekee.
Nginyagia rĩu mũthuriwe ahingĩrĩtwo ceceni-inĩ ya borithi ya Kiambu etereire gũkinywo igoti-inĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Mwaũra wa Ndong'o.